Dr. Ashley Thomas, do you have friends?
That's a great question. Hi, Nord Anglia. Thank you so much for sending in questions. I had such a good time reading them. They're all super interesting.
Hi, Dr. Ashley. I'm Fernando, and my friend is Luca. We have a question. Why do you study people's brain?
Thank you so much for your question, Fernando and Luca. It's a great question. The reason why I study the mind is because it's one of the hardest problems that there are to solve. We don't know that much about how the human mind is set up. Human beings are super complicated. We live in these really complex social environments. We have lots of different relationships. And I just think that the problem of how all of this works out in our heads is super interesting.
Hi, my name is Somijit and I'm from Oak Ridge International School, and this is my question to Dr. Ashley. It is easy to bond with anybody or create a relationship with someone, but what are the certain things we must follow to keep this connection alive forever?
I really, really like this question. It's such a sweet question. One way to maintain sort of a close relationship is to share things that are meaningful to you. When you talk about more personal or deep things or things that you might be scared of or things that might be really important to you, if you keep sort of those conversations going, that can be really important to keep social bonds going.
Hello, Dr. Ashley Thomas. My name is Kumar.
And my name's Alpha. My question is, how does anxiety affect social relationship?
And my question is, how does shyness affect social relationships? We hope that you get back to us soon, Dr. Ashley Thomas. Bye for now.
Bye.
I think it's a really good question. People who are shy or they might be anxious to talk to other people might have a harder time with that initial establishment of relationships. But even shy people, of course, have really good friends. And sometimes that they're even able to make even deeper relationships with people because they tend to focus on fewer people. Or at least that's one idea that you could actually test out. So you could actually ask your classmates how shy they feel when they talk to new people. You could ask them how many friends they have, and then you could ask them how important those friendships are. And it might be that the fewer friendships you have, the more important they are. So here's my general advice for going about doing a study about social relationships and the people around you. If you have a question, you can ask the same question to each of your classmates, and you can just quantify or count how many people answer the question one way versus another way. Our social relationships are so important to us. If you ask most people sort of what's the thing they like most, oftentimes it's spending time with their family or friends. It's the thing that we think about a lot, so you might be wondering if so-and-so likes you as much as you like them. All of those things I think are super interesting and so important to our daily lives, and that's why I study social relationships and how we think about them.